Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I'm decorating in my classic catch-all planner for the first week in June, which is absolutely insane to even think that we're halfway through 2021. I feel like we literally just ended 2019. And yes, I mean 19. Like, I don't even know where 2020 went. And I don't like this past 18 months has been a blur. It's just crazy. So I'm going to be using the Pressed Florals sticker book. And I got this one a few months ago. And somehow it got lost in my collection of stickers. And I had not used it yet. So I had an original plan that I was going to do a totally different theme this week, but I'm like, all right, nope, scratch that. I got to use this book. It's just so fun. I love the colors. You guys know that I'm a bright color girl, so definitely had to use it. And these ginormous quotes and words and stuff, like so cute. So I decided to put the Darling You're Different up at the top. And I felt like that was a good like statement piece and what kind of draws your eyes when you first open up the planner. And then I kind of went from there. So that's normally how I get started in a spread. I start like at the spot where I'm drawing all of the inspiration from, and then I kind of go from there. So since this quote number one is big, I needed to put that down first so that I could then space everything else out. But then it also has all the colors that I want to use. So that's kind of the thought process behind that. And I really wanted to use that Seek Beauty in All Things as well, but it's a little bit too many big quotes to use. Like, it's going to take up too much space. So I chose the Darling You're Different on the top of the left page, and then I put Choose Joy down at the bottom of the right. So then they're kind of like balancing each other out. And what I really like is that these quotes have lots of different colors, but then, like, for instance, this joy has, in place of the O, it has a sunflower. So I thought that was really cute and unique. And I had a lot of different, like, yellow dots to cut off in place, like, so that because a lot of them came over on the edge. So I had to do that as well. Then once both of those super large stickers were laid down, then I believe I started over on the sidebar, if I'm not mistaken. And so far, I was just loving this page already. Like, I am a huge quote fanatic. Like, oh, honestly, I'm obsessed with the quotes, with all the words, the fun fonts, the colors, like the inspiration that comes from the different quotes. Like, it's just super fun. So then I used that one little strip up on the bottom of Thursday through Sunday, which I thought was cute. And then this box I put down so that I could put a Memorial Day sticker on it. And I got that out of Household. I think it was Household. One of those like functional books. I had to search around because I use all of my holiday stickers, so I kind of run out pretty quickly. Honestly, I really think they need to come up with another dates and holidays book and keep it like all neutral. I would buy multiple of those books. All right, and then I did something kind of fun for the sidebar. I went ahead and put, you can't really see right this second, but I put this kind of large pink flower down on the bottom left corner. And then I layered on top this green kind of like large box. And then you saw that I put little dots next to the different labels that I wanted to use on each of the boxes that I was going to put in that sidebar. And that's kind of like a little trick that I do sometimes to keep track of the stickers that I'm going to use and be able to kind of like visualize it, I guess, because it's on sticker paper, and just writing beside the sticker is not going to like, it doesn't write on the sticker, if that makes sense. And each of the boxes that I was putting in that sidebar, I didn't want any of them to match. I wanted to like mix and match, well, I guess just mix all of the boxes in that sidebar so that none of them were the exact same color. So in the middle box, it's kind of like the medium sized. I wanted to put the grocery list because I didn't need it to be the largest box. Then for errands, I only have like a couple places I need to go this week. So that's in the smallest box. Then in the largest box down at the bottom, I put remember. So that's going to be like my to-do list. So I thought it was kind of fun to categorize my sidebar instead of doing one large sidebar sticker. So that was pretty fun. And the labels matched really well as well. And then each of those little sticker pieces that I cut off of that sticker down on the bottom, I kept, instead of throwing them away, I just made them look like they're coming out of that yellow box. And in this sticker book, there's a lot of different kinds of stickers. And although there is a lot of like purples, I did purple last week and purple florals last week for that matter in my planner. So I didn't want to do really any purple this week because I want to change things up. So I pulled out this really fun, like long pink flower. And I guess if I was like a plant person, I would know the name of that, but I don't. So I put that kind of like going up the edge of the page. And then this really big sunflower I'm putting to go like off of the page on Sunday. So I thought that was really, really cute. And then you'll see later what I put beside it. And I really like how that turned out. So I was trying to have it fall off the page like just in the right way where it doesn't cut into the middle part, but it also doesn't cover up the washi strip that I already put up at the top. So I had to, do that pretty delicately. Then the piece that was coming off of the page, I put down on the bottom of the other page. And with that little empty spot, I wanted to fill it in, so I put that yellow sticker or that yellow flower. Then I'm all about balancing the page out. So to balance out this spread, I put these fun leaves, kind of like in the same shape as the pink ones down at the bottom of the other page. It just kind of looks like they're climbing up the page. So I put that on Thursday, just on the edge. It barely takes up any space. Then this full box, there's a lot of really beautiful full boxes in this sticker book, but there's just so many to choose from. I'm definitely going to need to do another spread with this book very, very soon. I'll probably be using it in my daily sheet planner. I don't think it's called a daily sheet planner, but it's filler paper and it's with the daily sheets, so I'll definitely be using that very soon. And then these monthly boxes, they have the little corner cut out, so it matches up really nicely to line up perfectly with another box. So I went ahead and did that. And then there's a sticker that says time for coffee already in that Press Florals book, so I knew I wanted to put that down. So I chose to put it on Thursday, even though I have coffee every single day. And I pulled out the tiny sticker book because they have colorful coffee cups on there. So I put that like kind of the corner covering up the label, and then those little coffee beans I thought was cute. Then these are the words. This is the last page of the book. All of these different, I don't want to call them labels, but strips, I guess, with all different words on them. I chose all of the different colors that are in the huge darling word, and I put them kind of not labeling, they're kind of like overlapping the big sunflower. So the yellow one says choose joy. The orange one says more coffee, please. The green one says believe in the good. Pink says be strong and courageous. And then the peach down at the bottom says just bloom. So those are all really, really pretty. And I like to group them all together like that. Then this one that says in a field of roses, she's a wildflower, I thought was really cute, and I liked that it was green so that I could have more green over on the right page. So I like to use those long pages, or long stickers, if I can talk right now, to stretch over a few days at a time, because I'm all about layering and choosing stickers that don't exactly fit perfectly in the boxes right now. So that's why I did that. And I was going to go ahead and just finish that up right there, but there was a lot of empty space on Tuesday and Wednesday, and I really don't have a ton, or really anything for that matter. As of right now, nothing's on the calendar, so I wanted to fill in a little bit of that space. So I chose this Embrace Your Own Pace sticker. It's like a quote with cute flowers on it. I put that on Tuesday and then turned the box sideways to overlap it and kind of put that on some of Tuesday and most of Wednesday. So that was a cute little way to overlap and fill in that space. And then there's like this small pink sticker that I put on Wednesday as well, and that goes over top of that box that I just now laid down. And it has a little flower in it, so if it is taking up too much space, like that flower, and I don't have any space to write in it, then what I'll do is just white out that flower so then I'm able to write completely in that box. But it's always nice to have different boxes laid down so that I can go ahead and jot down notes or whatever inside of them. I've really been on a big kick of only really writing in boxes instead of writing directly on the page, or at least mostly writing in boxes as opposed to writing directly on the page. I really like using Sharpies to write in my planner instead of just a regular pen. And Sharpies bleed through the page, of course, so that's why I've been choosing to write on stickers. But also, I really like to use boxes. End of story. I just really enjoy it. Lastly, I wanted to put one more, since that Embrace Your Pace sticker had blue, I wanted to balance it out and put blue on the right page. So I put this sticker down that says, Kind Heart, Brave Soul. And I believe that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the pages into my discs for one last look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.